Never start your car like this. Because the way most people do it every single morning is slowly destroying their engine, draining fuel, and setting them up for expensive repairs. And the worst part? Mechanics know this, but rarely tell you. Because it makes them more money in the long run. But before I break it down, let me ask you for just a few seconds of your time. Our channel has already completed the watch time required for monetization, and with your subscription today, we'll finally unlock that goal. That milestone will help me pay my college fees while continuing to create videos that save you money on car ownership. So if you find value in this, please hit that subscribe button right now. It would mean the world to me. Here's the truth. The most damaging way people start their cars is by turning the ignition or pressing the start button immediately without letting the system prepare. In modern vehicles, when you first turn the key to the on position, or when you push the button without pressing the brake, the car runs a quick self-check. The fuel pump primes the fuel lines, the sensors calibrate, and the electronics stabilize. Skipping this step by rushing to crank the engine immediately puts extra stress on the starter motor, battery, and fuel system. Think about it. The engine is trying to fire up without proper fuel pressure, which means more cranking, more strain, and more wear every single time. Over weeks, months, and years, this seemingly small habit leads to starter failures, battery drain, and inefficient fuel combustion. The second big mistake is revving the engine immediately after starting, especially on cold mornings. When the engine oil is cold, it's thick and hasn't yet circulated fully through the engine. By revving too soon, you're forcing moving parts, like pistons, valves, and bearings, to run at high speeds without full lubrication. This is one of the fastest ways to cause long-term internal engine wear. The truth is, your car doesn't need you to warm it up with high revs. Modern engines are designed to warm themselves while idling gently for 30 to 60 seconds. Just let the car sit for a short moment, then drive smoothly. That's all it needs. Another harmful habit? Pressing the gas pedal while turning the ignition. Some drivers believe this helps the car start faster, but on modern fuel-injected engines, it actually floods the combustion chamber with fuel. This extra fuel washes away the thin film of oil protecting your cylinders, causing metal-on-metal contact. Over time, this increases wear and reduces compression. Plus, it confuses the ECU, leading to rough starts, poor fuel economy, and higher emissions. So, how many times have you started your car with the headlights on, the AC blasting, or your music system running? Every time you do this, you're, forcing the battery to power multiple systems at once while also delivering a massive surge of energy to crank the engine. This drains the battery faster, puts stress on the alternator, and honestly, shortens the lifespan of your car's electrical system. A simple fix is to turn off all unnecessary electronics before starting the car, then just turn them back on once the engine is running. Modern cars display a series of dashboard warning lights when you switch to the on position. They're not just for show. These lights actually let the system check critical components like oil pressure, ABS, airbags, and battery charge. If you crank the engine immediately, you might miss a warning sign that something's wrong. That's why, professionals always recommend waiting a few seconds, letting the dashboard light cycle, and then starting the engine. It's honestly one of the simplest ways to catch problems early, before they turn into costly disasters. So, what's the correct way to start your car? It's simple. Turn the key to on or press the button without the brake. Wait 2 to 3 seconds while the fuel pump primes and the dashboard lights cycle. Start the car without touching the gas pedal. Let it idle smoothly. If it's cold, give the engine 30 to 60 seconds before driving, but don't rev it hard. Just ease onto the road and let the car warm up naturally. Always keep electrical loads off before starting. Follow these habits, and you'll extend your battery life, protect your starter, save fuel, and dramatically reduce long-term engine wear. And that's why you should never start your car like this. because the small habits you overlook each morning could be costing you thousands in hidden repairs. If this video helped you, I have one last request. We've already completed our watch time, and with your subscription today, we'll finally unlock monetization. That will not only help me pay my college fees, but it will also allow me to keep bringing you authentic, research-backed videos that save you money on car ownership. So please, hit that subscribe button right now. Together, we can make this goal possible. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.